There we go. This is the display cure system from DDU Dr. UV, designed for curing displays. It's using two Lighthammer 6 fusion lamps, and it has a controller that will allow you to go into setup mode, and you can set up this system using a several different. You can do a UV based, which will work on joules. This one happens to be set for 6.8 joules. You can also have a setup to where this is the calibration mode, which is where you calibrate the system to measure joules, and then you can also do a time based, which uses just seconds. The systems, each one of the systems have two shutters for shutter for each lamp that allows you the precision exposure times. The system uses there's two Lighthammer 6 power supplies, and it has a front door here for loading the displays. This is the calibration fixture here, and you can see there's a port right there for the radiometer, and this is only used for calibration only. The system is completely sealed and enclosed. It has two exhaust ports, two air inlets. This is in a laboratory environment, so the ductwork's not the best. You have one air input line and one 110 volt computer type plug are the utilities for this system. So, okay, this is the cake pan fixture. We call it a cake pan because obviously it looks like a cake pan. The corners are sealed. There are two pins for the customer to mount a fixture to hold their display. The display, in this case, we're just setting it in there, and it's going to be ready to go in for curing. Now you're hearing the blowers. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a cure. We'll show you how easy it is to set up. We're going to go from time based. We're going to go to joule based. Which right here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to change the joules to we're going to take it down to 4 joules even, for the sake of okay. Change this to 0. Okay, so now we're ready to run. As you can see, it shows there's the doors open. There's no fixture. So now we're going to insert the fixture into the unit, the cake pan. When it goes all the way back in and the door is closed, you see now we're ready to go. It shows that the system is set up for 4 joules. We're going to hit the start button. The cake pan is being lifted up into position. As you can see the cure happening there. You can see the joules ticking away from the set point. When the unit hits the set joule amount, which is in this case is 4 joules, the shutters will close and the fixture will lower down and be ready to be removed. The more material you have or product you have in the unit, the more absorptive it is, and the cure time will go up slightly. In this case, the unit will report when the cycle is finished. As you can see right here, the shutters are closed, cycle over. We got 4 joules in 50.9 seconds. And the system, you pull the door open, remove the tray, and the temperature is room temperature. It's no heat at all, and we put 4 full joules of energy onto the pen. This is the calibration top fixture. It has the CureSmart material on it to add total reflectivity to remove any absorption when we're doing the calibration mode. Because we don't have the actual fixture for the cake pan, we've just taped the radiometer to the back. What we're going to do now is I'm going to reset the radiometer, and I'm going to take you through a calibration mode. To go into the calibration mode, what we do is we get out of the last run, we go into the setup mode, we select, and we go into, we want to change to the calibration mode right there. You'll see the calibration mode is set at 10 seconds. We select OK, we go OK through there, and now we're in the calibration mode. So what we'll do now is we've reset the radiometer. We're gonna install the cake pan fixture with the radiometer running in it, and what we're gonna do now is close it up. The lamps are on the start mode, and we're ready. Now we're going to select, go, calibrate, okay, exit, start. Now it's lifting, and you can see we're going through the 10-second calibration. Okay, now what we'll do now is we remove the cake pan with the radiometer. We read the radiometer. What we do then at that point, we read the watts per centimeter square, which happen to be 0.615. We go over to the UV power here, and we plunk in 0.615, okay, and we accept that, and that is we have calibrated the system. Okay, so now let's check let's do a comparison of our joules, what we calibrated, and what we've done down below. Okay, so I got to go back into setup. I have to go from calibrate to UV based. Okay, so now we're ready. Let's start this thing. We're set again at 4 joules. It's lifting. The shutters are open. You see how much faster the joules run when we have the reflective material in there. Okay, so now we've got to take the fixture out, and let's see how close to 4 joules we were able to get. And we're in the run mode here. There we are. Hopefully you can see that 4.044 joules. So we're within 44 thousandths millijoules of being right on the preset point. And there it is, the first one for our R&D. This one really was originally designed to go over a conveyor, and we had to make this lifting mechanism because of the lab that it was going in didn't have room for the conveyor. So, and there you have it, the Dr. UV Infinicure.